In sum of trigonometry, express the ratio cos A, tan A and sec A in terms of sin A. We know that cos square A plus sin square A is equals to 1. This is one of the identity. We can take cos square A is equals to 1 minus sin square A. Okay. Then cos A is equals to root 1 minus sin square A. We have to take this square as root. Okay. Now tan A is equals to sin A by cos A. This is one of the identity. Okay. Sin A by, instead of cos A, we are taking root 1 minus sin square A. Sec A is equals to 1 by cos A. This is one of the identity. Is equals to 1 by, instead of cos A, we are taking 1 minus root 1 minus sin square A. Here we got cos A in terms of sin A. We have got tan A in terms of sin A and sec A in terms of sin A. Okay. Now 15th one. How much the value of the expression cosec 75 degree plus theta minus sec 15 degree minus theta minus tan 55 degree plus theta plus cot 35 degree minus theta. Okay. We have to find out the value. Okay. This is a given expression. We have to convert this cosec into sec and this cot into tan. Okay. Now what is cosec theta? Cosec theta is sec 90 minus theta. Okay, sec 90 minus, instead of theta you have to take this 75 plus theta minus sec 15 minus theta minus tan 55 plus theta plus, instead of cot we have to take tan 90 minus theta. Tan 90 minus, what is the theta? Theta is 35 degree minus theta. Now sec, what is 90 minus 75? It is 15. 15 minus theta minus sec 15 minus theta minus tan 55 plus theta. Okay, then plus tan 90 minus 35 is 55. 55 plus theta. Okay, this sec plus sec 15 minus theta and minus sec 15 minus theta gets cancelled. Minus tan 55 plus theta plus tan 55 plus theta gets cancelled. Okay, the answer is 0. 16th, prove that cosec A minus sin A sec A minus cos A is equals to 1 by tan A plus cot A. What is LHS? LHS is cosec A minus sin A sec A minus cos A. We know that cosec A is equals to 1 by sin A and sec A is 1 by cos A. Okay, instead of cosec A, we are taking 1 by sin A minus sin A sec A. Sec A is 1 by cos A minus cos A. Now we have to take LCM. LCM is sin A. Sin A gets cancelled. Here 1 we have to take, minus sin A into sin A is sin square A. Cos A gets cancelled. 1 we have to take. Okay, then cos A into cos A is cos square A. Now this is one of the identity. 1 minus sin square A is equals to cos square A. 1 minus cos square A is equals to sin square A. This is one of the identity. Instead of 1 minus sin square A, we are taking cos square A. Instead of 1 minus cos square A, we are taking sin square A. Okay, by sin A by cos A. Okay, this sin A and sin square A gets cancelled. Here one sin A is left. Okay, sin A, when sin A gets cancelled, one more sin A is there. Now we have to write sin A into cos A. Cos square A gets cancelled. One more cos A is there. Okay, sin A into cos A. This is the LHS. Now RHS. RHS is 1 by tan A plus cot A. Instead of tan A, we have to take sin A by cos A. Instead of cot A, we have to invert this. We have to take cos A by sin A. Okay, 1 by, we have to separate this sin A by cos A plus cos A by sin A. Okay, we can write direct. If you want to take LCM, you can take LCM. LCM is the cos A and sin A. Okay, cos A gets cancelled, sin A is left, and sin A gets cancelled, cos A is left. Sin A plus cos A is 1 by cos A into sin A. Okay, 1 into 1 by cos A into sin A. This is a wrong. Okay, you have to take denominator as numerator and numerator as denominator. 1 into cos A into sin A by 1. Okay, what is the answer? Answer is cos A into sin A or sin A into cos A. Here we got the answer. LHS is equals to RHS. Now 17th. If SA is equals to 1 by root 5 and sin B is equals to 1 by root 10, find the values of cos A and cos B. Sin A and sin B is given. We have to find out cos A and cos B. Okay, using this, cos A plus B is equals to cos B minus sin A sin B. We have to show that A plus B is equals to 45. What is the given here? This is the given. Okay, we don't know cos A and cos B. Okay, we know sin A and sin B. Okay, now this is one of the identity, that sin square A plus cos square A is equals to 1. We can write cos square A is equals to 1 minus sin square A. Okay, this we can write. Now we can write this cos square A is equals to 1 minus sin square A. Then cos A is equals to root 1 minus sin square A. Okay, cos A is equals to root 1 minus, what is sin A? Sin A is 1 by root 5. 1 by root 5 whole square. Okay, square is given, now we have to take whole square. Cos A is equals to these roots gets cancelled. 1 minus 1 by 5. Okay, now take LCM. Okay, LCM is 5. Okay, 5 ones are 5 minus, how many times 5 goes in 5 table? It goes 1 time. 1 into 1 is 1. 5 minus 1 is 4. 4 by 5. Root 4 by 5. So what is root 4? Root 4 is 2. 2 2s are 4. Okay, don't take whole root by 5. Okay, we have taken root, now we have taken root 4. So this is wrong. You have to write 2 by root 5 as we have taken the root of 4. Okay, now sin b. Sin b is equals to 1 by root 10. Again we know cos b is equals to root 1 minus sin square b. Okay, then cos b is equals to root 1 minus, what is sin b? Sin b is 1 by root 10. 1 by root 10 whole square. These roots gets cancelled. Again you have to take LCM. LCM is 10. Okay, 10 ones are 10 minus, how many times 10 goes in 10 table? 1 time. 1 ones are 1 is equals to root 10 minus 1 by 10. 10 minus 1 is 9. Root 9 by 10. What is root 9? It is 3. 3 by root 10. Here we got cos b. Here we got cos a. Here we have to show that cos a plus b is equals to cos a. Cos b is equal minus sin a sin b. Okay, cos a plus b is equals to, what is cos a? Cos a is 2 by root 5 into cos b is 3 by root 10 minus, this is given, sin a 1 by root 5 into sin b 1 by root 10. Now given is sin a is equals to 1 by root 5, sin b is equals to 1 by root 10. Okay, now 3 2s are 6. 6 by 5 10s are 50. Okay, this root we have to take common, minus 1 ones are 1, 5 10s are 50, root 50. Okay, 6 minus 1 is 5. 5 by root 50. Okay, 5 by, you have to take root of 50. 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 5 5s are 25, 5 ones are 5. Okay, these 5 you have to take, and 2. Okay, you have to write like this, 5 root 2. Okay, this is the root of root 50. Okay, cos a plus b is equals to 1 by root 2. The answer is 1 by root 2. If we are taking a plus b as 45, cos 45 degree is equals to 1 by root 2. Okay, a plus b is equals to 45. Hence it is proved. 18th problem, a bit. If sin theta, tan theta, sec theta, x is equals to 1, find the value of x. Sin theta into tan theta into sec theta into x is equals to 1. Sin theta into, what is tan theta? Again the identity you have to take, sin theta by cos theta into sec theta is 1 by cos theta into x is equals to 1. Okay, you have to remember all identities. Okay, now what is sin theta into sin theta? It is sin square theta. Into 1 means you can write sin square theta. By cos theta is cos square theta into x is equals to 1. Now x is equal to 1 into cos square theta by sin square theta you have to take. Okay, is equals to 1 into cos square theta is again cos square theta by sin square theta. Okay, what is cos square theta by sin square theta? It is cot square theta. It is one of the identity. Okay, x is equals to cot square theta. B bit of 18 sum, show that sin a plus b is equals to 1 when angle b is equals to 90 degree in triangle ABC, and also cos a plus b is equals to 0 and tan a plus b is equals to infinite. Okay, sum of the angles is equals to 180 degree. Angle a plus angle b plus angle c is equals to 180 degree. We know this. Okay, what is the given here? Given is angle b is equals to 90 degree. Instead of angle b we have to take 90 degree as it is given. Angle a plus 90 plus angle c is equals to 180. A plus c is equals to 180 minus 90 is equals to 90 degree. Here we got a plus c. We have to sin a plus c means sin a plus c is equals to 1. It is given in the question. Okay, now if a plus c we got 90, then sin 90 degree, a plus c we got 90 degree, then sin 90 degree is equals to 1. Okay, now cos a plus c. Now cos a plus c. Cos a plus c is equals to cos 90 degree. A plus c is 90 degree. Cos 90 is 0. Okay, this we got now. And tan a plus b is equals to a plus c is equals to infinite. Tan a plus c is equals to tan 90 degree. A plus c is 90 degree. Tan 90 degree is equals to infinite. Okay, hence it is proved. Now C bit of 18 sum, if cos a plus cos square a is equals to 1, then find the values of sin square a plus sin 4a. Sin 4a. Okay, given cos a plus cos square a is equals to 1. This is given in the question. Okay, then cos a is equals to 1 minus cos square a. Okay, what is 1 minus cos square a? It is sin square a. We got cos a. Cos a is sin square a. Okay, we got this. Okay, now what is cos A? Cos A we got sin square A. Okay, now plus, you have to take this plus here. Cos square A is given now. So what is cos A? Cos A is again sin square A into square means 2 times you have to take, again sin square A. Okay, this sin square A plus this sin square A into sin square A, you can take this as sin 4A. Okay, then sin square A plus sin 4A is equals to 1. Okay, 19 sum, if cot theta is equals to 7 by 8, then find the value of, first you have to find out the value of 1 plus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta by sin theta plus 1 sin theta minus 1. We know that cot theta is equals to 7 by 8, then cot square theta is equals to 7 square by 8 square, 7 7s are 49, 8 8s are 64. Then tan square theta, we have to take tan square theta. What is tan square theta? We have to invert this one. Okay, we have to take numerator as denominator, denominator as numerator. 64 by 49. Okay, then 1 plus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta by sin theta plus 1 sin theta minus 1. We can take 1 1s are 1 minus cos plus cos theta minus cos theta is minus cos square theta by sin square theta. Okay, plus into minus is minus, 1 1s are 1. Okay, 1 minus cos square theta is sin square theta. Sin square theta minus 1 is minus cos square theta. Okay, then what is sin square theta by cos square theta? It is minus tan square theta is equals to minus 64 by 49. Okay, now second one, what is the second one? 1 plus sin theta by cos theta. Okay, we can take this as 1 by cos theta plus sin theta by cos theta. We have to separate this. Okay, what is 1 by cos theta? It is sec theta. Sin theta by cos theta is tan theta. What is sec theta? Sec theta is equals to 1 plus tan square theta. Then 1 plus, what is tan square theta? We got the tan square theta now. What is tan square theta? 64 plus 49. Okay, now LCM you have to take 49. Okay, 49 ones are 49 plus 49, how many times 49 goes in 49 table? 1 time. 1 into 64 is 64. 49 plus 64, 113. 113 by 49. Okay, now sec square theta. Sec square theta means what you have to do? You have to take root 113 by root 49. Okay, root 113 by 7 7s are 49. Okay, root 49 is 7. Okay, is equals to sec theta. Okay, now sec theta plus tan theta you have to take. What is sec theta? Sec theta we have got root 113 by 7. Okay, what is tan theta? What is tan theta? Tan theta is 8 by 7. Okay, tan theta is 8 by 7 is equals to, okay, now again you have to take LCM. 7 ones are 7. If denominator is same, you have to write this. Okay, 8 plus root 113. Okay, this is the answer. Do you know how you have got tan theta here? Here we have to invert this cot theta. Cot theta is 7 by 8 na. You can take tan theta as 8 by 7. 20 sum, if sec theta plus tan theta is equals to L, prove that sec theta is equals to L square plus 1 by 2L. Given sec theta plus tan theta is equals to L. Okay, so this is given. According to identity, this is one of the most important identity. Okay, sec square theta minus tan square theta is equals to L. Okay, then if we are taking sec square theta minus tan square theta is equals to L, then sec theta minus tan theta is equals to 1 by L. Okay, now this is the equation 1, this is the equation 2. Now we have to add 1 and 2. What is the first equation? Sec theta plus tan theta is equals to L. What is the second equation? Sec theta minus tan theta is equals to 1 by L. Okay, now sec theta plus sec theta is 2 sec theta is equals to, this tan theta and tan theta gets cancelled, plus and minus, 1 plus 1 by L. 2 sec theta is equals to, we have to take LCM. Okay, now L into L is L square plus, how many time L goes in L table? It is 1 time. 1 into 1 is 1. Okay, you have to take 1. 1 into 1 is 1. Okay, then sec theta is equals to L square plus 1 by 2L. Okay, hence it is proved. Now the B bit of 28 sum, if sec A is equals to cosec phi A minus 42, find A. Okay, sec A is equals to cosec phi A minus 42. Then sec A, instead of theta we are taking, if A is equals to cosec 90 minus A. Instead of theta we have to take here also A. Okay, now then 90 minus a is equals to 5a minus 42. Okay, now 90 plus 42 is equals to 5a minus a. Okay, this minus a we have to write plus a, as we are taking in RHS, we have to take we are taking it as RHS. Okay, it is LHS now. This is minus 42 is RHS, we are taking it in LHS. Okay, we have to take minus 42 as plus 42. 90 plus 42 is 132 is equals to 6a. A is equals to 132 by 6. Okay, 6 2s are 12, then 1 is left here, then again 6 2s are 12. Answer is 22. A is 22. 21 sum proved that sec square 20 minus cos square 70 by sec square sin square 70 plus sin square 20 is equals to 1. We know that 1 plus tan square theta is equals to sec square theta. If we are taking theta as 20, then 1 plus tan square 20 is equals to sec square 20. Again tan square 20 is equals to, what is tan theta? Tan theta is cot 90 minus theta, cot 90 minus 20. Okay, what is cot 90 minus 20 is 70, cot square 70. Okay, tan square 20 is equals to cot square 70. If sec square 20 is equals to 1 plus tan square 20, okay, 1 plus tan square theta, then sec square 20 is equals to 1 plus cot square 70. Okay, now we know that tan square 20 is equals to cot square 70. We know this, we got this answer now. Tan square 20 is cot square 70. Okay, now instead of tan square theta we have to take cot square 70. Now sin square 70 is equals to, again sin theta is cos 90 minus theta, cos 90 minus 70. Okay, what is 90 minus 70? It is cos 20, theta is 70 here. Okay, now sin square 70 is equals to cos square 20. Cos 20 means square you have to add, cos square 20. Now putting the values here. Okay, sec square 20 minus cot square 70. What is sec square 20? Sec square 20 we got 1 plus cot square 70 minus cot square 70 is given here by what we have got, sin square 70. Sin square 70 is cos square 20 plus sin square 20. Okay, now this cot square 70 plus cot square 70 and minus cot square 70 gets cancelled. Okay, one is the answer by cos square 20 plus sin square 20. Okay, cos square 20 plus sin square 20 is 1. We know that cos theta is equals to 1 minus sin theta. Cos theta plus sin theta is equals to 1. Here theta is 20. Okay, answer is 1. Hence it is proved. Okay, now the 22nd sum, given sin a plus b is equals to root 3 by 2, cos a minus b is equals to root 3 by 2. Find a and b. Okay, if we are taking a plus b is equals to 60, then sin a plus b is equals to sin a plus b. Instead of a plus b, if we are taking 60, what is the value here? It is root 3 by 2. If cos a and b, a minus b means a, if we are taking a minus b as 30, cos 30 is equals to root 3 by 2. Okay, now solving 1 and 2 we get a plus b is equals to 60. We know this. A minus b is equals to 30. Okay, now 2a is equals to 60 plus 30 is 90. Okay, a is equals to 90 by 2. Okay, 2 1s are 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. Answer is 45 degree. A is equals to 45 degree. Now you have to find out b. Okay, a plus b is equals to 60. 45 plus b is equals to 60. B is equals to 60 minus 45. B is equals to 15. Okay, with this we have completed the important problems of trigonometry.